Chelsea Comer here to tell you about the next one-of-a-kind stamp event that we are going to be a part of. It's going to be on Saturday, June 21st, and oh boy, are we excited. We are going to use our new favorite stamp set, Koala. Yes, and make an adorable Koala-fied card. The card we're going to be making is this fun koala freestanding pop-up card that also folds flat for mailing. I am so excited to bring this to you. You just send it, they open it, and you can put your little greeting on the bottom, and then they stand it right on their desk. Super adorable. We also will have a bonus card that says, "Crikey, sorry I missed your birthday." Perfect for those last minute birthdays that you forgot. So if you'd like to play along with us and get your koala kit, there are two choices for kits. You could get it either with the koala stamp set, which I know you're going to love, or you can get it just the kit only. Those kits will be mailed to you in time for you to play along at home. Again, go ahead to www.InkyStamperstore.com, order your kit, and we'll see you back here on Saturday, June 21st. Bye-bye.